unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy. Now this is Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a monthly beauty bag. This one costs $13, but Ipsy has snuck in a handling fee of like $2 now. So now it's gone up. They've done that to every bag they have. So there's the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28. You get 5 full-size products in that bag. This bag you only get sample size, deluxe sample, and some full-size products. It depends on the product. Now the Glam Bag X is something that you get quarterly, and that comes instead of the Plus, and that one is $55. That one you get 7 to 8 full-size products. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for July, I think it is. Now, yeah, I just unboxed the June one, which I got really late. And then here is the July one. Let's just double check to be sure. Soak it all in. Yep, July 2022. So let's go ahead and see if they listed my products. They did. I love it when they list the products because they're putting the card in the bag already. So why not put your products on the card? I mean, some companies, they want you to scan the QR code so you can look inside your bag, but they're putting the card in so you can scan the QR code. I like the card. Okay, so this is for July. Now, whatever doesn't fit in the bag, they will put outside the little bag. And it looks like I have 2 products that don't fit in my cute little bag. So each month, you do get a theme-inspired bag. This one is a lovely turquoise with a little starfish. You will always see Ipsy stamped somewhere in there. Can you see the Ipsy in there? But I really like this one, of course, because it's turquoise. So the first thing that didn't fit in there is by Yule Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. So let's take a look at these. I mean, I'm not going to unwrap a mask, but we're just going to take these little pouches out so you can see them a little bit better. Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. Okay. There is 2 of them here. It does look like they are both the same. The Yule Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. Treat your skin to the ultimate moisture rush. These sheet masks are full of nourishing ingredients like strengthening kombucha, anti-aging peptides, and a blend of hydrating ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter that will help deliver deep moisture and glow to your parched complexion. Well, definitely in Oklahoma. I mean, if you're not from this area of the country, we are experiencing triple digits day after day. It is very toasty around here. And yeah, I would think that parched fits. So here are my face masks. These retail for $2 each. Okay. The next item is by Refreshments. Now, Refreshments is an Ipsy brand. It is a brand of skincare that they provide. So this is the Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream in Citrus Spritz. Let's see what it says about this. Hands feeling less than touchably soft? Show them some much needed TLC with this skin soothing cuticle softening treat that's quick absorbing, meaning not greasy. Okay, wait, which is quick absorbing too, meaning no greasy feel left behind. And that refreshing citrus scent, instant vacay vibes. Oh, and they have a tip. Drop a dollop onto your hands and rub in. Reapply as needed. That's a tip? That's how you apply. The MSRP is $8 on this product. So let's go ahead. It's pretty, isn't it? I like the packaging. A lot of fun. Okay, let's see. It does have a safety seal on it. And I am going to open it. I just finished a hand cream by my side table by the couch, so I do need another one. It is a medium viscosity, medium thickness. Yeah, it is medium. I do smell the citrus, though I have to say, it smells more perfumey than I thought it would. There's a little bit of a perfume smell in there, but not much, so it won't bother me. It feels good. It feels nice and soft. It lingers a little bit, but it seems to be soaking in okay. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. It's just, it's still there a little bit. So it's not as quick as they say it is. I can definitely still feel it. So I wouldn't say that it absorbs as quick as they say it does, but I am glad to get that. Okay. Now let's see what is inside the bag itself. So the inside is lined with a nice bright yellow, and there are our products. The first one is Archrival by Lottie of London. This is the Brow Artist Pencil in brown. Let's read about this. Archrival Brow Artist Pencil in Brown by Lottie of London. Meet your new secret weapon for brows that look fuller, thicker, and more defined, but not overly done or drawn on. The magic? The pencil's ultra-fine precision tip, which allows you to create tiny hair-like strokes with ease. To give your brows instant definition, use this pencil to trace a line underneath each arch. I don't know why they say that's a tip, because that is how to apply. Oh, if it wasn't for that label, it would have went all the way. Okay. Okay, so it looks like on one end, we have a little spoolie. And then we have a fine tip. See, I've got lotion on now. Oh, it does. See that? Yeah. So it's not too dark. So that's good. So I will be able to use it. This retails for $6. Then I have by OC an Ocean Cleanser. This is for normal, combo, and dry skin. It removes impurities, excess oils with our pH balanced formula. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration for a clear, radiant complexion. You can see and feel Apply to skin and rinse. Use morning and night. Ooh, look how pretty. Yeah, that is really pretty. Every skincare routine starts with a great cleanser. Like this all-star formula that's great for helping to wash away dirt, excess oil, and other impurities. It aids in minimizing the appearance of pores and also gently exfoliates the skin. This retails for, this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 5 ounces and is $48. This is 0.6 ounces. And the last thing in our bag is Deer Beach. Is that the name of it? Deer Beach Solstice Lip and Cheek Cream Tint in Venice. I wish I would have known this was in there. So in a soft pink, this multi-purpose creamy pigmented tint delivers the perfect amount of flush to lips and cheeks for a sun-kissed wash of color. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 2.5 grams and is $25. This one, I cannot see. They have white writing on that color label, so it's like impossible to see. So here is the color. That's a pretty color. I've never used a cream blush. Okay. So that was just barely touching. I'm going to go in again so we can see it. So that's what it looks like when it first goes on my skin. That looks nice. And then, oh, it blends out so easily. Wow, I'm excited to use that. It's very pretty, very subtle. My first cream blush, okay. So I have the cream blush, the hand cream, the OC facial cleanser, a brow pencil, and some face masks. So that is what I have in my July 2022 Ipsy bag. I am really glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.